You are watching the video training presentation for the Find Command and Quick Searches produced by the World Software Corporation, makers of WorldDocs. WorldDocs has always had a multitude of ways for you to search for your documents. In this video, we're going to focus in on the new search bar located here in the upper right-hand corner of your window, which allows you to perform very quick searches based on document contents, words that might be in the description of the document, and various other ways. We're going to focus here on the binoculars that you find to the left portion of the search bar and click on those, and you can see that this can be set as a default to either search on the file contents, the document ID or description, as mine is the default to document ID or description or contents, or finally default to the document ID or description and the contents. To begin using the feature, you'll simply type the term that you're searching for in this dialog. I'm going to look for forecast. Hit your Enter key. WorldDocs will search the documents looking in, as I showed you, the doc ID, description, or the contents for the word forecast, and then highlight it here within the preview. In this dialog here, you can see that there are 3 occurrences of forecast within the document, and this arrow will allow you to, without opening up the file, navigate through the body of the document for each occurrence of the word forecast, sort of to give you a preview of the document and make it easier to identify it. Some of your documents may have the search term located both in the description and in the body of the document, and others it may be one or the other. The drop-down which appears will show you recent search terms that you have run, specific list types such as favorite files in Microsoft Word or Excel, recent searches, and specific folders, such as the case of the Matter folders that are identified here. In addition, you can very easily apply a filter to a list by clicking on the drop-down. If you know you're looking for a Microsoft Word document, apply the DOC filter, and it will take the other file types out of view. Another new addition is the new Search tab. When you click on it, you get a nice clean search dialog. You can see, just as in the previous search bar, there is binoculars off to the left where you define what it is you want to search. The same choices that you had previously in the search bar. I'm going to type in my search term here, and you can see that WorldDocs is going to suggest other word forms that maybe you mean to use. In this case, I'm searching for the term agreement, but we have agreements and arrestment. Well, agreement is the correct choice. Run the search, and the contents is produced. You can see in the lower right hand corner we have 97 files, so if I would like to very quickly filter down this list, I can again use the filter bar, and if I know I'm looking for a PDF file, it will take the others out of view, limiting this list down to 34 files. Finally, if I'd like to run a more traditional type of search, I have the Advanced Find toolbar button, which will allow me to bring up a traditional search form where I can identify specific criteria that I'd like to perform searches on, be they client matter doc type searches or specific date ranges that I'd want to run. This will conclude your introduction to the Find Command and Quick Searches in WorldDocs GX4.